When we contemplate the dimensions of consciousness, 3D, 4D, and 5D, we are embarking on an exploration that goes beyond our ordinary understanding of reality. This journey through different states of consciousness challenges the conventional boundaries of perception, how we understand life, and how we interact with the universe. These dimensions represent different levels of awareness that shape how we experience life, connect with others, and understand ourselves. They aren't physical places, but ways of being, each with its own principles, experiences, and lessons. As we expand our consciousness, we move from the dense physicality of 3D through the transitional phase of 4D and into the elevated spiritual awareness of 5D. In 3D consciousness, where most people begin their journey, life is understood through the lens of separation and duality. It's a realm grounded in material existence, defined by what you can see, touch, and measure. In this dimension, your identity is closely tied to the physical body, and life revolves around societal norms. You're often categorized by race, gender, nationality, or socioeconomic status, labels that shape your experiences and interactions. The path to success is linear and dictated by society. Go to school, get a job, marry, have children, and retire. In 3D, the ego takes a dominant role, driving comparison, competition, and fear, constantly measuring worth and focusing on scarcity. This leads to a life filled with stress, anxiety, and the pursuit of external validation, often at the expense of true desires and well-being. In 3D, attachment to material success is strong, often measured by wealth, status, and achievements. This attachment can lead to disconnection from others, from the deeper self, and from nature. You see yourself as separate from everything, which creates a world of duality where you constantly compare, compete, and strive for power and control. However, as you begin to question this reality, you start to see through the illusions of 3D, marking the transition into 4D consciousness. The 4D dimension represents a significant shift in awareness, where spiritual awakening begins. This is the stage where you start questioning the conditioning of the 3D world and seek deeper truths about yourself and the universe. In 4D consciousness, the superficial layers of reality fall away, and you tap into the spiritual aspects of existence. This shift often comes with disorientation, as the old ways of thinking and being no longer feel relevant or fulfilling. It's a time of personal transformation, where you let go of the old to embrace the new. In 4D, the boundaries between the physical and spiritual begin to blur. You become introspective, exploring your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. This is often accompanied by healing, as you confront and release past wounds and traumas that shaped your identity. In this dimension, you begin to deprogram from societal expectations and start creating more authentic ways of living. Though challenging, this process is liberating as it allows you to step into your true power. As you transition further, you become more attuned to the energies around you. Synchronicities and meaningful coincidences start to guide your path, helping you make decisions aligned with your higher purpose. Your intuition strengthens, and you trust your inner guidance over external voices. This shift also brings greater empathy and compassion, as you start seeing others not as separate, but as reflections of yourself. The realization that we are all interconnected fosters a deeper sense of community and shared experience. As your consciousness continues to evolve, you enter the realm of 5D consciousness, a state of unity where the illusions of separation and duality dissolve completely. In 5D, you experience a profound sense of oneness with all that is. You no longer see boundaries between self and other, or between the physical and the spiritual. You realize that everything is interconnected, part of a universal consciousness. In 5D, love becomes the guiding force in your life. Unconditional, pure love that sees the divine in everyone and everything. Time is no longer linear. You understand that all time exists simultaneously, and that you can access different timelines through your intentions and vibrations. In this state, manifestation happens more effortlessly, as you are in harmony with the flow of the universe. Your desires align with your highest good, and life unfolds in a state of flow. The 5D consciousness is also characterized by heightened intuition and psychic abilities. Your connection to the spiritual realms is strong, and you receive guidance from higher dimensions. This connection brings inner peace and fulfillment as you feel supported by the universe. In 5D, you live your soul's purpose, fully aligned with your divine mission. This brings a deep sense of joy and satisfaction, which is not dependent on external circumstances. Understanding these dimensions is not just about labeling different states of awareness, but about recognizing your potential for growth and transformation. You are a multi-dimensional being, capable of experiencing different levels of consciousness and evolving beyond the limitations of the physical world. I hope you enjoyed this exploration. If you're still with me, please leave a comment on what you learned or what you'd like to add. I appreciate your presence, and as always, wishing you a beautiful day.